Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Herb with Half Mil Rebuilds. We back with another video. In this video today, we're going to be finishing up the Audi S5. I just pulled up to the shop, so we're going to get right into it. I pulled it outside, and I'm going to try to get it painted today. Let's get into it. YouTube? Yeah. Guys, it's getting cold right now, so I'm about to start sanding. Why? So I bring it inside for a little bit to do a little sanding inside. I'm wet sanding right now with 1000 grit, just to try to blend this line in a little bit that I created here to make a line. This is just a little BS I'm doing. A little BS I'm doing right there. Just doing them a little quick. Then after that, we're gonna go over a little bit of the since the bumper was damaged, I couldn't really go too in and shape it too much because I guess just the damage is poking out a lot. So I did my best on fixing the bumper. I do gotta fill in a little bit of these pinholes. Guys, we on the last step. Basically, I'm gonna do a little glaze because it does have some little holes in the Bondo. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this glaze so I can fill those little pinholes. And then the next step for me is just a primer. It's a little cold today. I'm still gonna try to paint. The heat's not working, so I can't really put the heat on, but it's not that bad. I'm gonna still try to get it done today. So we're gonna fill up this little pinholes. With that, and that should be good. After that, we can start priming the hood. I'll make sure it's dry completely. So this is what we're up to now, prime the spots. I'm gonna put the plastic over it now. This has been a long day today. It hasn't been as long as I'm used to, but I'm ready to get this thing over with. And the moment you've all been waiting for, the paint. Time to paint. I'm gonna wait to the final reveal and just hold out on showing you guys, like, and I'll show you guys the final reveal when it's completed. So you don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.